What is up, guys? So what we're going to do in this video is connect the Rode Wireless Me setup. So this is a wireless mic setup to the Sony A7IV for the first time. I'll show you how to do it. So in this kit, what you normally get is two transceivers and a receiver. So you want to put the transceiver on you to record your vocals, and then the receiver on where you're receiving it. So right here we have the shoe mount. So what we can do is actually attach this to that shoe mount. Now it is firmly attached to that A7IV. How good is that? So here's the next thing. We have specific cables that will only work for this. So right here in the pack we got two different cables. So the one with the gray I don't tend to use because for some weird reason it doesn't work. But the one that's black on both sides, that does work. So what we want to do is put this right here. So this just connects. So that's our audio in. And then this is our audio in, or audio to the camera. Boom. All right, so we can now turn this on. Okay, so right now we don't have any audio. I'm gonna put this on video mode. So right now, 0 audio. So what we want to do is press and hold. So now that is syncing or looking for wireless device. So we're going to turn one of these on, press and hold. So we just turn this on and boom, now it's connected. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, we now have audio coming in, and that is through this Rode setup. So what we can do from here is the function button, level. I tend to turn this all the way up to about 14 or 15. 16 even. 1, 2, 3. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Mic check. 1, 2, 3. And that's how easy it is to actually fully set this up with the Sony A7IV. So now you have the wireless setup, and then if you have wind or something like that, you do also have the filters right here. But yeah, now you can do full videos where you attach this to your person, use as kind of like a lapel, and this will do the video explainer for you. So yeah, this is a quick tutorial and guide on this one. I think it's quite smart to be able to do it this way, and hopefully this full setup actually fully helps you. So thanks for watching, guys.